To increase the map size, simply touch it. Alternately, you can press the map button to make it full screen. You notice that it's multicolored. I can pinch to zoom, pinch to expand, or I can use the iDrive controller and rotate it to zoom in and out. You notice these different colors are going to show you how bad traffic is. This is called real-time traffic information. You'll notice that it's directional. So traffic going in this direction on this street is green, so all is good. And you can see here that it's red, so it's backed up. Colors go from green to yellow to orange to red. To quickly see traffic information, you can select traffic information on the right-hand side, and then it will give you a list which you can scroll through with your finger or with the iDrive controller. You can click on any of these to get more information. If you don't have a route planned, you may not get the traffic alerts that you're expecting. To plan a route, there are many different ways to do it. One is to touch the navigation button and then select where to, at which point I can start typing. Some results will be on the right-hand side. I could also use the microphone button.
Please speak after the tone.
Atlanta International Airport.
Okay, I've selected Atlanta International Airport. Which one of these 50 entries?
Number 1.
I've started guidance.
From here I have some options. I can see my alternate routes. I can also choose route preferences. These are things I can also do from the menu on the side. I can choose alternative routes. I can check on my current guidance. See details. Or check parking. Route preview. Or by choosing settings, route preferences, dynamic routing. The default is with confirmation, where the route will adapt to the current traffic, but it will ask you for permission first, or automatic, where the route will adapt automatically. Speaking to the intelligent personal assistant of the vehicle is probably the easiest way to navigate or to find traffic information. For example, drive to Atlanta International Airport.
Which one of these destinations should I select?
Number 1.
All right. Our next destination is Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International, ATL.
Show me traffic information.
There is one traffic message on your route. We're delayed by 10 minutes.
If you have any additional questions about traffic information, please don't hesitate to contact me.